Mark scrolled through his phone, frustrated and bored. He desperately needed a way to promote this supplement affiliate product, but he didn't have the money to run ads or the expertise to create a viral video to post on Instagram or TikTok. You know, something that would grab attention fast, maybe a celebrity endorsement or something. But hiring an actor? Too expensive. Video editors? Way too complicated. He glanced at an old photo of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, his favorite wrestler growing up, on his desk. Man, if I could just get The Rock to create a video that I can post on my Instagram, sales would skyrocket, he joked to himself. Out of curiosity, he Googled how to make photos talk. That's when he stumbled upon Revio. He didn't believe it at first, but he decided to give it a try. After all, it costs less than a pizza, and it comes with an ironclad money-back guarantee. So there are no risks, really. A few clicks later, he uploaded The Rock's photo, and within seconds, the image was speaking.
Vitality, and wellness.
Not just in English, but also promoting his product in Spanish, French, and Japanese. Mark sat back stunned. He uploaded the video to his brand new Instagram account, and within 12 hours, he got 58,962 views for his video, generated 1,278 clicks to his affiliate offer, and made $389.23 in affiliate commissions. And from that day, Mark's life completely changed. Mark's not alone. Hundreds of members use Revio every single day and get similar results. Listen, traditional video creation is not only costly, but also highly technical and time-consuming. Actors charge thousands, sometimes millions of dollars. Editing tools have steep learning curves, and AI voice generators, they sound robotic and awkward. But videos are essential. If you're not creating content, you're invisible. Your competition is winning. And unless you have deep pockets or tons of time, it feels impossible to keep up. But what if there was a way to create jaw-dropping HD videos from nothing but a photo? Imagine turning any text, photo, or 5-second clip into a talking, singing, or even dancing video in seconds. And not just in English, but in multiple languages. Sounds wild, right? Introducing Revio, the world's first AI studio app that turns any text, photo, or 5-second clip into talking, singing, and dancing videos with hyper-realistic emotions, lip sync, and lifelike movement in any niche and language you want. With Revio, you can upload any static photo or 5-second clip and bring it to life in seconds. Make your photo lip sync to scripts you write or voices you clone. Make your 5-second selfie talk, sing, and dance with emotions. Have any celebrity, historical figure, or even AI character promote your products. Generate videos in multiple languages for a global audience. Create viral, attention-grabbing content faster than ever before. Export your videos in full HD resolution without watermarks, and so much more. This is the exact same cutting-edge technology trusted by Hollywood studios and world-renowned brands. Imagine Kanye West unveiling your clothing line, or Elon Musk passionately promoting your new groundbreaking app, all generated from just a single photo. All of it right from a single intuitive dashboard. No actors, no expensive video shoots, no complicated software. And with Revio's unmatched human-like emotions, lifelike movements, and realistic sounds, your creations won't just look real, they'll feel real. You'll be able to generate videos like this, and this, in less than 60 seconds with zero manual work, experience, or costs. Creators, influencers, and business owners are turning simple pictures into mind-blowing videos that rack up thousands of views and sales. Hey, my name is Seyi, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce you to Revio, the world's first AI engine that allows you to turn any text, picture, reel, or 5-second clip into talking, singing, and dancing video characters that will literally do or say anything you want in HD video quality. Imagine having a celebrity promoting your product. Imagine an athlete promoting your local business. The sky's the limit with Revio. It allows us to make money like this and this in just 1 to 2 minutes a day, and without paying for ads or doing anything manual, really. No video shoots, no actors, no subscriptions. Just upload a photo and Revio does the rest. It works for everyone and anyone, regardless of where you're from, what language you speak, or even your level of experience. All you need is just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Upload any photo or a 5-second clip of your favorite character, or choose from our ready-to-use character templates. Step 2. Tell Revio what you want the character to do and say. You can make the character talk, sing, dance with flawless lip sync in any language. Step 3. Export your video in high quality with 0 restrictions and 0 watermarks. And the best part is, no monthly payments, no upfront costs, no installation or configuration, no limits or restrictions, no API fees. Amazing! By now, I'm sure you're wondering how much this will cost you. I mean, it'll save you a minimum of $10,174.23 a year while creating viral videos that generate income like this. So it'd be fair to charge you a minimum of $997 a month for it. But I can't do that. I was in Mark's shoes, struggling to make even $100 a month online, so I don't want anyone to suffer the same, and since I make more than enough money with Revio, I don't need your money. All I ask you is to just cover the cost of the hosting by paying a small one-time fee, less than the price of a pizza pie. And you can have unlimited and unrestricted access to Revio. Not just that, I'll even give you a free commercial license so you can use it in your business or your client's business, or sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, or anything else. And to make the deal even easier, you'll get exclusive bonuses worth over $10K, and you're protected by my 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If for any reason you think that Revio is not for you, just send us an email and we'll refund every penny you've paid. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below before we reach our limit and close down Revio forever. And pick up your copy now. And I'll see you on the other side.